हाउ टू फिल मुंबई यूनिवर्सिटी 2023 एडमिशन फॉर्म। जैसे कि आप जानते हो एडमिशन फॉर्म खुल चुका है, मैंने ऑलरेडी वीडियो डाले हैं कैसे अप्लाई करना है, बट स्टिल देयर आर लॉट ऑफ स्टूडेंट्स हु आर स्टक, देयर आर लॉट ऑफ इश्यूज व्हिच इज कमिंग कि आपका मोबाइल नंबर रजिस्टर नहीं हो रहा है, एबीसी आईडी नहीं बन रही है, आपका फोटोग्राफ और सिग्नेचर अपलोड नहीं हो रहा है। इसके लिए ऑन डिमांड जो भी इश्यूज आप लोगों को आ रही है हमने एक्सप्लेन करके पूरा स्टेप बाय स्टेप वीडियो शूट किया है आपके लिए। सो प्लीज गाइज मेक श्योर ये वीडियो एंड तक देखिएगा। सारा प्रोसीजर आपको सही तरीके से एक्सप्लेन किया हुआ है। रजिस्टर कैसा करना है, लॉगिन कैसे करने हैं, प्री एनरोलमेंट कॉलेजेस में कैसे करना है, सब्जेक्ट कैसे सिलेक्ट करना है, कॉलेज कैसे सिलेक्ट करना है, ईच एंड एवरी क्वेश्चन दैट यू गाइज आर सेंडिंग इन रिगार्डिंग मुंबई यूनिवर्सिटी हमने उसे ध्यान में रख के ये डिटेल वीडियो बनाया। सो गाइज मेक श्योर दैट यू फॉलो द प्रोसेस टिल द एंड, आपका फॉर्म फिलिंग कंप्लीट हो जाएगा। फिर भी अगर आप असिस्टेंस चाहते हो उसके लिए हमारे लाइव सेशन चल रहे हैं फॉर्म फिलिंग के, आप वो भी ज्वाइन कर सकते हो। यू जस्ट हैव टू मैसेजेस ऑन दिस व्हाट्सएप नंबर। नाउ लेट्स स्टार्ट विद द स्टेप बाय स्टेप फॉर्म फिलिंग प्रोसेस, जहाँ पे आपको समझ जाए कि कैसे अप्लाई करना है। सो अगर आप कहीं स्टक हो तो भी देखिए, अगर आपने शुरू नहीं किया है तो शुरू से आप ये फॉलो करके अपना फॉर्म फिलिंग प्रोसेस कंप्लीट कर लीजिएगा।
For ABC ID, we recommend to go on the DigiLocker app because the website keeps crashing. So this is the process where you can find your ABC ID. To sign in, you just have to put your Aadhaar number, your phone number, and just process. There is a complete video on the channel as well for how to create ABC ID step by step once you have created from Meri Pehchan on DigiLocker app. You'll get an OTP, you can sign in, and this is what your page will look like. You scroll down and find for ABC ID. Here under institution type, you can select university and name as University of Mumbai. And there it is, the ABC ID card just pops up. You click on that and that is your ABC ID. Now mu.ac.in is the website for your Mumbai University form. Click on students, then admission and pre-enrollment registration 21-20 and then pre-admission for 23-24. Now click on register as a new student. Fill in your first name, try to use all caps, first name, your last name and surname. If you don't have a last name, you can put your father's name as well. In this case, we are filling up for a female, so daughter of, and then father's name, mother's first name. Please put in your date of birth correctly. Now provide a proper working number, a number that you're using currently, and an email ID. Now click on the tick box and hit agree. Then you can check your details and hit register. Now this is a username D23CQ00 and a unique number. So that is your username for your login. You will get an OTP on SMS. You put that OTP and then create a new password. Keep a strong password for your login. Write these details down. Now it will take you back on the home page. So similarly, just put in your D23 number that you have just got and the password that you just said and click on login. Now it will take you to these boxes. You do one at a time. So personal details first. Father's name and mother's name in regional language and even your name in regional language. All you have to do is write your name in English and then click the space bar. It will auto change it to a regional language, that is Hindi. Here, please enter your name as per your statement of marks, that is your mark sheet or your leaving certificate only. Name in regional language, again, name in English and hitting space. If you have changed your name after your 10th or 12th, please hit that checkbox right there. Gender, female, date of birth is already filled for you. Place of birth is the city where you were born. You can put that. Religion, you can select from the scroll. Be very careful with the domicile of state. It means the state you belong to, and the country is of course India in most of the cases. Aadhaar number, please put the correct one. ABC ID we have just generated some time back. That is the ABC ID that you have to enter there as it is. Once that is done, the rest of the details are not mandatory. Voters list is a no, and then you click on proceed. Now correspondence address and permanent address, you put in the addresses accordingly. In this case, I'm selecting urban because Mumbai, so you can select urban or metropolitan, either way works. Country, state, again, district, taluka, city and pin code is as per your address on the Aadhaar card. And then you can click the checkbox that says is permanent the same if you have only one address. Save and proceed. Now this is your education details. First we go with 10th standard. Put your board, your college or school name. The date of result is mentioned on your hall ticket or mark sheet, so put it accordingly. If you are from another board that has a unique ID, you can put that as well. Roll number is your basically hall ticket पे आपका जो number होता है, roll number होता है, seat number होता है, that you have to enter here. Marks, total marks only, no best of 5, no best of 4, all marks itself. Similarly for the 12th standard, add and select your board, your state, your stream, arts, science, commerce. If you don't have particular stream mentioned here, you can click others. School name, college name as it is. Whether you passed or result is awaited, you can tick there. In this case we have passed, so we have put passed there. Seat number according to your hall ticket again, so put it accordingly. Number of attempts, if you have given 12th once, twice, thrice, accordingly put that number. Date of result again is on your mark sheet, so you can put the month and year of that as well. Now rest of the details are not mandatory. Total marks you have to add again all subjects, not only best of 5, best of 4, all the subjects, and click save. Now your 10th and 12th details are added, click on proceed. Now in this reservation, this is social reservation, so firemen, government, etc. Category general, OBC, I have put general. Under employed, I have put no, we are not self-employed, we are students, and occupation of garden is mandatory. Save and proceed, a prompt will come, hit OK. Photo and signature will be in JPEG file format only, so select your photo and signature and crop and upload, and then click proceed. Now for email, you can put an alternate email, parents email, that's up to you. So that is complete. Now confirm all the boxes that you see here, check the details, and then click on the checkbox and confirm profile. This will take you to a list of courses. Now in this case I'm doing BMM, so B.A, and on the second page if you go scroll, you will see the B.A multimedia and mass communication course. There are two, so I'm going for the autonomous colleges, hence autonomous. Agree and then select 12th, your last qualified exam, and submit. After that you will get all the list of colleges which are autonomous. I'm selecting Xaviers in this case. Medium of instruction is going to be English, so I'm putting English and proceed. Next is SEM2, similar process, it will all be auto selected, so proceed and click on proceed again. Here are the documents. If you want to submit gap or affidavit or something, you can select that. Print the form, and of course they ask for this particular star rating thing. I'm putting 1 for all because of course. Save and proceed, and then you hit print application form, and this is your application form and your application number which you'll put in your college website. Save it as PDF and you're done. So if you want to apply for a different college or a different course, again you go on the dashboard and then select the course and colleges once again according to your preference.
आई होप गाइज आपका फॉर्म फिलिंग कंप्लीट हो गया हो. फिर भी अगर आपको कोई क्वेश्चन है प्लीज कमेंट बॉक्स में लिख दीजिए, और एल्स ज्वाइन माय लाइव सेशन एवरी ऑल्टरनेट डे आई एम डूइंग लाइव, तो वहां पे आप मुझे क्वेश्चन पूछ सकते हैं. और एक इम्पॉर्टेंट चीज, आपको मुंबई यूनिवर्सिटी पे कोई पैसे नहीं भरने हैं. इसके बाद का जो प्रोसेस है वो है कि आपने जो भी कॉलेज का प्री एनरोलमेंट फॉर्म किया है उनके इंडिविजुअल कॉलेज के वेबसाइट पे जाके अभी आपको फॉर्म भरना होगा, तब जाके आपका कंप्लीट फॉर्म फिलिंग प्रोसेस खत्म होगा. और रही बात कॉलेज लाइक HR, KC, सिडनम, BSc, ये सारे मुंबई यूनिवर्सिटी पे नहीं मिलेंगे. इनके लिए आपको दूसरे यूनिवर्सिटी के वेबसाइट पे जाना पड़ेगा, जैसे HSNC, जिसका फॉर्म फिलिंग प्रोसेस में बहुत ही जल्द अपलोड कर दूंगी. दूसरी आ जाती है होमी बाबा यूनिवर्सिटी, एंड लास्ट में जो लोग सोमया कॉलेज को ढूंढ रहे हैं मुंबई यूनिवर्सिटी पे और नहीं मिलेगा, आपको सोमया यूनिवर्सिटी की वेबसाइट पे जाके उनका फॉर्म भरना होगा. अभी से सोमया कॉलेज जो है वो प्राइवेट कॉलेज हो चुका है, तो उनकी अपनी यूनिवर्सिटी फॉर्म हो गई है. I hope guys the video was informative. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for a lot of such informative videos on Media Mentor. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe.